before because I don't want to blow the stock trans. I know my tuner was able to get 5 or 19, I think it was 5th gear. I believe it was 5th gear on the dyno, but I'm not going to push my luck with it. I have a spare trans, and I'm just going to save that, but I want to enjoy the car for a little bit before I start blowing transmissions. The CD009 swap is like almost 7 grand. If you did the math work, I'm going to see what it costs for just to buy it. I can pretty much build everything myself. So I'm going to be doing some pulls here and showing you what it's like driving on it at 420. The tires on it now are RE71s. They're a couple years old. They're at the end of their lifespan. So it is time for new RE71s. So I'm just going to do some pulls here. First gear spins the tires right off, taking off. Second gear sometimes will hook, sometimes it won't. Third gear always hooks. It's pretty good. But so I'm gonna just do a quick little drive, running through the gears, let you hear the turbo. The turbo's a G25 6060. It's a Garrett dual ball bearing. I'm on E85 right now, so at E85 on map 1 it's 420 wheel horsepower, which I've already said that. Yeah, we're just going to take a quick little drive. Another car I'm going to introduce to the channel is my brother's car. I'm not going to give away yet. It's supposed to rain the rest of this week. I got a busy schedule for this coming weekend, but I'm going to upload it to my channel, show you all, do some test driving with it. That was 5th gear. Sometimes you take off in first and spin first, and then you hit second. Second hit hooks, and then third hooks. But I mean, it's fun. I got to put a little bit of mileage on it, not very many miles on it. It's been a blast. I got to drive my brother's car, me and him, on some back roads, playing around a little bit. Semi-good tires. Yeah, it'd be a while before I did the transmission swap because I'm recovering from this engine build and the tune and all that. Race car life. Once I get the car all dialed in with everything, I'll start taking it to the track and doing some track videos. I got a buddy at the races with his built FRS, and he just now got a CD009 for his, and I think last racing season he put 5 transmissions in it. The stock transmission, he's run 416. said the third to fourth shift is what would grenade them. There's a bushing behind fourth gear. It just goes. It just can't handle the power. The stock wheel horsepower in this car was 159 wheel horsepower. We're pushing 420 right now. It's holding up pretty decent right now. It's not showing any signs of acting up. We'll see how it usually goes after I go out and start playing with it. I'll have some more videos of playing with it on some backcountry roads. I'm gonna go up here and do a little turnaround. The new GR86 or the BRZ with the 2.4 yet. I heard it's a lot better. Yeah. I mean, if there's any videos y'all want me to shoot of this, I can, I can do my best to shoot them. I mean, I'm not an editor with cameras yet. I don't really have all the software and the stuff to do it. Right now, I'm just filming off a GoPro. If y'all want me to film anything, let me know. I'm going to end the video here and upload it. Please like and subscribe to my channel so I can get this YouTube channel to grow. Thank you all.